It's the Medyo Late Night Show with Jojo A. Featuring tonight, Amy's He's on Tumang. With Lloyd Mara and All the Way Band, it's Jojo A. It's worth the wait, di ba? But wait, there's more. Ano nga yun? Anong title ng song na yan?
When I Was Showman.
When I Was Master Showman? Ano?
I Was Your Man.
Kuya Johnson.
When I Was Your Man.
Apo.
Eh bakit na kung kumakanta? Dapat
siya-
When I Was Your Woman.
Hindi po, siya yung talagang
I'm
mas
singing-
lalaki sa amin.
I'm singing on behalf.
On behalf.
Yeah.
Meaning half lalaki, half babae.
Oh, pwede.
When I was oh wow, sikat na talaga si Charis, ano? Anyway, it's Pinoy Gosyante time, ladies and gentlemen, on the program. Pinoy Gosyante time. And our Pinoy Gosyante of tonight is the owner of Amazing Playground. He's also the founder and the designer and the president of that company. It's a made-to-order RTW sports and street apparel na isa sa pinakamasikat na gumagawa ng mga ganito because personalized yun sa kanya, pinag-iisipan, apart from the quality, yung design very hip, very cool.
Wow.
Parang yung may-ari, very hip, very cool.
Yes.
Diba? So let's bring him in. Ladies and gentlemen, the very good-looking and cool Amy's Quezon Tumang. Oh yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Amy's, thank you very much for making time tonight. Pare, that's your microphone. Ayan, kaya, alam mo, last week pa tayo dapat nagkakwentuhan eh, Amy's, di ba?
Apo.
Yeah, I miss you.
Sakto.
Sakto, pwede, no? Okay, Amy's, unang tanong ko, negosyante ka pero ang dating mo, pare, pang K-pop, hip-hop na cool dude na pwedeng panlaban kay John Lloyd. Diba? May background ka ba? Did you even was ever a time na alam ko parang you almost entered show business, correct?
Ay, hindi ba?
Hindi ba? Talagang
Basketball lang,
basketball lang.
Basketball lang.
Basketball lang. Okay. Pero sino yung dating di ba may girlfriend ka na ata, Artits? Tama? So, yan. Pwede mo natin pag-usapan yun?
Ibang topic
Pwede
na
mo
lang.
Bakit naman? Dapat alam mo ba yung mga artista, pare, pagka ang kanilang boyfriend is out of showbiz, they're more proud about it and of it, di ba? Ayaw mo talaga. Next question na tayo.
Next question.